How to find the favorite item on Roblox Xbox. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'll address your queries regarding locating your favorite items on Roblox Xbox and whether it's feasible or not. To find the favorite items on your Xbox version of Roblox, you can follow the similar steps as on PC. When you visit an experience, you can click on the favorite icon or on the items, that is, there is a star icon to mark as favorite. To view these items, go to your profile or the account page and click on three dots. Select favorites from the drop-down menu to see them. Initially, you will see the places or the experiences, but you can also switch to the categories like hair, heads, emotes, faces, etc. However, on the Xbox version of the Roblox, there are no clear indicators in the profile or the avatar editor to show your favorites. Without the three dots to access the favorites, it may not work on console versions. It is a useful feature, but accessing the favorites on the Xbox or PlayStation consoles might not be possible. So this video aims to inform viewers about this limitation. If you found this information helpful, please consider liking and subscribing for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.